In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to copy trade on OKX, complete step-by-step tutorial for beginners. I'll show you how to find traders that are actually worth copying, the critical errors that cost new traders money, and how to manage your copy trades so you don't end up liquidated. And look, if you use my link in the description, you can unlock up to 145 USDT in exclusive rewards just by completing simple tasks like your first deposit, your first trade, and reaching certain trading volumes. So let's jump into it. First things first, you need an OKX account. If you don't have one yet, click the link in the description below. This will take you directly to the sign up page. Only by using my link will you unlock the full new user bonus package that I've negotiated specifically for my community. Just click the sign up button, enter your email, and you're in. The whole process takes less than a minute. Once you log in, you'll land on your personal dashboard. This is your control center for everything on OKX. Now here's what makes this deal special. If you sign up using my link, you'll get 5 USDT when you copy a lead trader for the first time. Exactly what we're about to do in this tutorial. We'll break down how to claim the other bonuses properly a bit later. For now, let's focus on setting everything up the right way so you don't miss any rewards. Alright, so once you're logged into your OKX account, here's what you need to do. Go to the top menu, hover over Trade, then click on Copy Trading. OKX will take you to the full copy trading dashboard. Here you can see multiple options. You can see Smart Picks, Futures Copy Trading, Spot Copy Trading, and Bots. Let me quickly break down what each of these sections means. In Smart Picks, you can see the picks from the OKX platform itself. Here you can see backtested APRs for pairs like gold, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. You can see here multiple options like crypto market hedging, grid sniper bots, swing grid bots, and more. When you click on futures copy trading, here you can see the lead traders who are using derivatives or futures perpetual trading with leverage. This is where you'll see all the top copy traders, their stats, P&L percentages, P&L in dollar terms, how many followers the trader has, assets under management, and days they've been a lead trader, and more. When you click on Spot Copy Trading, this is the tab where you can copy the trades of lead traders who are only using spot or with no leverage. They have the same stats as the futures trading, but for this one, you will only have the option to buy at no leverage. The last option is bots. In here, you can copy trade bots that were developed by users on OKX. In here, you can choose the lead bots, spot grid, futures grid, martingale, recurring buy, and smart portfolio. The lead traders for this are all automated. You can see here what kind of trades they are taking, if it's long or short, and the leverage. You can see here the runtime of the bot drawdown and assets under management. You can also see here the profit sharing ratio. Under bots, you can also see the signals marketplace. In here, you can get signals from bots where you can copy them. In here, you can see backtested results, subscribers, win rate, and AUM. But for this tutorial, we will be using futures copy trading. Now, this might look a little bit complicated at first, but I'm going to break down everything you need to know step by step. Now look, to avoid random risky traders, let's filter some of these traders to see which ones are worth following. Here you can see different filters like P&L percentage, P&L in dollars, win rate, AUM or assets under management, number of copy traders, and copy traders P&L. Let me break down what each of these metrics actually means because this is super important. P&L percentage. This shows the total profit or loss percentage the trader has made over a specific period. A high P&L percentage looks good, but you need to check other metrics too, because one lucky trade can inflate this number. P&L in dollars. This is the actual dollar amount the trader has made. This gives you a clearer picture of real performance, not just percentages. Win rate. This is the percentage of trades that ended in profit. At least 50 to 60% is ideal. Anything below 40% is pretty risky. AUM or assets under management, this shows how much total capital is currently being managed by this trader from all their copy traders combined. Higher AUM usually means more trust from the community, but it's not everything. Number of copy traders. This tells you how many people are currently copying this trader. If people copying this trader is less than 10, I usually skip them. It means they haven't built enough trust yet. Copy traders P&L. This is huge. This shows the cumulative profit or loss of all the people copying this trader. If this is negative or barely positive, that's a massive red flag. Skip them. Now here's a pro tip that most people don't know. Don't just sort by P&L percent and pick the top one. That's a rookie mistake that I see beginners make all the time. You want consistency across multiple metrics. Once you've narrowed down your list, click on a trader's profile to see all their detailed stats. Focus on these key metrics. Win rate. At least 50 to 60% is ideal. Anything below 40% is pretty risky. Profit/loss ratio. This is the cumulative profit of the lead trader divided by their cumulative loss. A higher ratio means they make more when they win than they lose when they're wrong. Average position value. The average value of each lead trade position this trader has held. This tells you how much capital they typically use per trade. Days leading trades. This shows how many days the trader has been a lead trader. So the higher the number, the better. You want someone with a proven track record, not someone who just started last week. Lead trade assets. This is the USDT balance in the lead trader's trading account. If they're trading with significant capital themselves, it shows they have skin in the game. Current copy traders P&L. If this is negative or barely positive, that's a massive red flag. Copy traders. How many people are copying this trader? If people copying this trader is less than 10, I usually skip them. Cumulative P&L chart. Look for steady upward growth. Big spikes and crashes mean high risk and you could get liquidated. Crypto preferences. Focus on traders who mainly trade major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Low cap altcoins are way higher risk and can move against you very quickly. Profit sharing ratio. This is very important. This is the percentage of total copy trading profit that the lead trader will receive. Profit sharing ratio is usually between 10 to 20%. This is what the trader earns from your profits. Trader description. Some traders actually explain their strategy here, which can give you good insight into how they trade. Take your time here and check carefully the statistics and what kind of trader you're copying, since you're trusting this person with your money. Before we continue, make sure to check the Rewards Center section after signing up with my link. Here you can claim all those exclusive bonuses I mentioned earlier. Remember, new OKX users can earn up to 145 USDT in rewards. You'll win 5 USDT just for completing your first deposit of at least $50 and holding it for 2 days. Another 5 USDT for completing your first trade. Another 5 USDT for creating your first trading bot. And another 5 USDT for copying a lead trader for the first time. Some rewards require actions like deposits or trading volume, and the platform will track this automatically for you. Just go through each bonus, complete the requirements, and claim your rewards. This is literally free money that you can use, so definitely don't skip this step. All right, so once you find a trader you like, click the Copy Now button on the right side of their profile. Now this is where it gets interesting because OKX is pretty straightforward when it comes to how you copy trade. First, input your total investment. OKX has a minimum of 50 USDT when you want to do copy trading. You can quickly copy the lead trader's ongoing position if they have one. You can uncheck this one if you are not ready yet and want to take the next trade they take. When you click on Advanced, you can see the total stop loss for the trader. If your net loss, that's total profit minus total loss, across all trades reaches this amount, you'll stop copying this trader automatically. This is a safety feature to protect your capital. You can enter the specific stop loss order you want here. I highly recommend setting this up because it protects you from major drawdowns. Once everything looks correct, click Copy and confirm. Your copy trade is now live. Now look, copy trading is not completely passive. You need to monitor your positions. Go to the copy trading dashboard and click on My Trades to manage everything. Here you can see all your active copy trades, your current equity, total P&L, and PNL today in USDT terms. This gives you a complete overview of how your copy trades are performing in real time. On the Trader tab, you can edit settings at any time by clicking on Details, and then click on Settings. You can increase your investment, adjust your stop loss, or unfollow a trader completely if their performance starts declining. I recommend checking your copy trades at least once a day, especially in volatile market conditions. If you see a trader's strategy changing or their drawdown increasing significantly, don't be afraid to stop copying them and find someone else. Remember, you're in control here. Just because you started copying a trader doesn't mean you're locked in. You can adjust, pause, or stop at any time. All right, so that's the full breakdown of copy trading on OKX. Copy trading is a great way to get into crypto without being a chart expert. But this is definitely not passive income. You need to monitor your traders, manage your risk, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Before you go, use my link in the description to claim my welcome bonus package on OKX, including up to 145 USDT in rewards and copy trading rewards. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. For a more detailed walkthrough of the OKX platform, check out the video popping up on your screen now, and I'll see you in the next one.